I built a profitable YouTube Shorts channel with AI, new method. Creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI is an innovative approach that allows individuals to earn money without ever appearing on camera. This concept opens up opportunities for those who may be camera shy or prefer to maintain their privacy while still engaging with a vast audience. The potential for monetization on YouTube is significant, as creators can generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all without revealing their identity. By leveraging AI technology, content generation becomes more accessible and efficient. AI tools can assist in creating scripts, generating voiceovers, and even editing videos, streamlining the entire process of channel management. This means that anyone can produce high-quality content with minimal effort, focusing on niche topics that resonate with viewers. In this guide, we will outline a step-by-step process that will empower you to establish your own faceless YouTube channel. From selecting a niche and utilizing AI tools for content creation to optimizing your videos for search and engagement, we will cover everything you need to know to get started. By the end of this journey, you will have the knowledge and resources to launch your channel and tap into the lucrative world of YouTube, all while remaining behind the scenes. Analyzing existing successful channels that utilize AI-generated content reveals a remarkable trend in viewership and subscriber growth. Channels like Kurzgesagt, In a Nutshell, and The Infographics Show boast millions of subscribers and impressive view counts, often reaching tens of millions per video. These channels effectively harness AI to create engaging animations and informative narratives that captivate audiences. The effectiveness of AI in content creation is evident in its ability to produce high-quality visuals and scripts that resonate with viewers, making complex topics accessible and entertaining. By automating aspects of video production, these channels can maintain a consistent upload schedule, which is crucial for audience retention and growth. The strategic use of AI not only enhances content quality but also fosters audience engagement through personalized recommendations and interactive elements. This success story serves as a blueprint for aspiring creators, emphasizing that with a well-thought-out strategy, replicating their achievements is entirely feasible. By identifying a niche, leveraging AI tools for content generation, and focusing on audience engagement, new channels can carve out their space in the competitive YouTube landscape. The potential for success is vast, and with the right approach, anyone can tap into the lucrative opportunities that AI-generated content offers. Selecting a profitable niche for your YouTube channel is a crucial step toward success, and identifying trending topics can significantly enhance your chances of attracting a large audience. One popular niche that has gained traction is animal battles, where creators showcase entertaining and often humorous matchups between various animals. Channels like Battle of the Beasts and Animal Showdown have successfully tapped into this trend, garnering millions of views and subscribers by presenting engaging content that captivates animal lovers and casual viewers alike. To choose the right niche, it's essential to conduct thorough research and validate your choice by analyzing current trends, audience interests, and competition. Utilize tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to identify what topics are gaining popularity and how frequently they are searched. Additionally, consider your own passions and expertise, as creating content around something you genuinely enjoy will make the process more fulfilling and sustainable. Engaging with online communities and forums can also provide insights into what viewers are looking for. By combining trending topics with your unique perspective, you can carve out a niche that not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them coming back for more, setting the stage for a successful and profitable YouTube channel. Creating an effective channel name is a vital step in establishing your YouTube presence, and AI tools like TubeMagic can simplify this process significantly. TubeMagic is designed to generate catchy and relevant names based on your chosen niche, helping you stand out in a crowded marketplace. For instance, if your niche revolves around animal battles, TubeMagic might suggest names like Fierce Furry Fighters or Wild Showdown Arena. These names not only capture the essence of your content, but also evoke curiosity and excitement, making them memorable for potential viewers. When brainstorming names, it's essential to consider their relevance to your niche, as this helps in attracting the right audience. However, before finalizing your channel name, it's crucial to check for existing channels with similar names to avoid confusion and potential copyright issues. Conduct a quick search on YouTube and other social media platforms to ensure your chosen name is unique. This step not only protects your brand, but also enhances your visibility in search results. By utilizing AI tools like TubeMagic and following these guidelines, you can create a compelling channel name that resonates with your audience and sets the foundation for your YouTube journey. Designing a logo and channel art quickly is essential for establishing a strong visual identity on YouTube, especially for channels focused on shorts. One effective way to expedite this process is by utilizing AI image generators, which can create unique and eye-catching logos in a matter of minutes. Tools like Canva and Luca allow you to input your channel name and niche, generating a variety of logo options that you can customize to fit your brand. Visual branding is particularly important for Shorts channels, as compelling graphics can capture viewers' attention in a fast-paced environment, making your content more recognizable and memorable. When designing your logo and channel art, it's crucial to encourage creativity while keeping the design simple and relevant to your niche. A cluttered or overly complex design can detract from your message and confuse potential subscribers. Aim for a clean aesthetic that reflects your channel's theme and resonates with your target audience. Consider using bold colors and clear typography to enhance visibility, especially on smaller screens. By leveraging AI tools and focusing on effective visual branding, you can create a professional-looking logo and channel art that not only attracts viewers but also establishes a cohesive identity for your YouTube presence. Creating a YouTube channel and optimizing it for success involves several key steps that can set you on the right path. First, start by signing into YouTube with your Google account and clicking on the user icon in the top right corner. From there, select your channel and follow the prompts to create a new channel. Once your channel is set up, access YouTube Studio, which is the hub for managing your content, analytics, and settings. This platform is essential for optimizing your channel and videos effectively. One of the most critical aspects of optimization is the keyword section, which plays a significant role in SEO. By incorporating relevant keywords into your channel description, video titles, and tags, you can improve your visibility in search results, making it easier for potential viewers to find your content. To enhance your keyword research, consider using TubeMagic, an AI tool that helps identify trending keywords related to your niche. Simply input your topic, and TubeMagic will generate a list of effective keywords that can boost your channel's discoverability. By following these steps and utilizing the right tools, you can create a well-optimized YouTube channel that attracts viewers and fosters growth in your audience. Creating a list of engaging video ideas is crucial for maintaining consistency and keeping your audience engaged on your YouTube channel. Generating multiple ideas not only ensures a steady flow of content, but also allows you to explore various angles within your niche. Start by analyzing successful videos in your niche to identify patterns and themes that resonate with viewers. Look for common elements such as popular topics, presentation styles, and audience engagement techniques. This analysis can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't, helping you tailor your content to meet viewer expectations. To further enhance your brainstorming process, consider using AI tools designed for idea generation. Platforms like TubeMagic and Answer the Public can help you uncover trending topics and questions that your target audience is searching for. These tools can refine your ideas by suggesting variations or related concepts that you may not have considered. Additionally, encourage creativity by combining different themes or formats, such as tutorials, challenges, or storytelling. By leveraging these strategies and tools, you can create a comprehensive list of engaging video ideas that not only align with your niche, but also keep your content fresh and appealing, ultimately driving growth and engagement on your channel. Introducing AI tools for script writing can significantly streamline your content creation process, making it easier to produce high-quality videos efficiently. One powerful tool in this realm is VidAI, which specializes in generating video scripts tailored to your specific needs. With VidAI, you can input prompts that outline your video's topic, tone, and key points, allowing the AI to craft a coherent and engaging script. For effective script generation, be clear and concise in your prompts. For example, specify the target audience, desired length, and any particular themes or messages you want to convey. This clarity helps the AI produce a script that aligns closely with your vision. The benefits of using AI for script writing are manifold. Firstly, it saves you valuable time that can be redirected toward other aspects of content creation, such as filming and editing. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and drafting scripts, you can generate a polished draft in minutes. Additionally, AI tools like VidAI can enhance your creativity by providing fresh perspectives and ideas that you might not have considered. By leveraging these advanced technologies, you can streamline your workflow, maintain consistency in your content, and ultimately elevate the quality of your videos, making your channel more appealing to viewers. Mr. Beast's approach to maximizing views on YouTube Shorts offers valuable insights for creators looking to enhance their engagement and retention rates. One key strategy he employs is linking his shorts to long-form content, effectively driving traffic between the two formats. By creating shorts that tease or summarize his longer videos, he captures the attention of viewers who may then be inclined to explore the full content. This interconnectedness not only boosts views on both types of content, but also encourages viewers to invest more time in his channel. To create interconnected content, consider developing a series of shorts that highlight key moments or themes from your long-form videos. For instance, if you have a detailed tutorial, you could produce shorts that showcase quick tips or interesting facts related to the topic. This strategy keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to seek out the full video for more in-depth information. Encouraging viewers to adopt similar strategies can significantly enhance their channels. By linking shorts to longer videos, creators can build a cohesive narrative that keeps audiences coming back for more. Emulating Mr. Beast's successful tactics can lead to increased viewer retention and a more robust channel presence, ultimately driving growth and engagement in the competitive YouTube landscape. In summary, creating a successful AI-generated YouTube channel involves several key steps that can set you on the path to growth and monetization. First, start by selecting a profitable niche and generating a compelling channel name using AI tools like Tube Magic. Next, design eye-catching logo and channel art with the help of AI image generators to establish a strong visual identity. Once your channel is set up, focus on optimizing it through effective keyword research and engaging video ideas, utilizing tools like VidAI for streamlined script writing. By analyzing successful channels and implementing interconnected content strategies such as linking shorts to long-form videos, you can enhance viewer retention and engagement. The potential for growth and monetization is significant when you approach your channel with strategic planning and creativity. We encourage you to take these insights and apply them to your own YouTube journey. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these tips. Your engagement not only supports our content, but also helps us continue providing valuable insights for aspiring creators. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of YouTube and unlock its full potential.